Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Red Road Driving School. Finally, DVSA respond and I received the email from DVSA. So new tier 4 restrictions. So new tier 4 restriction including by the government. The Prime Minister has announced yesterday new tier 4 restriction in England to control the spread of coronavirus from Sunday 20 December London. So together with part of the southeast and east of England will enter the tier 4. Tier 4 restriction will remain in place until the next formal government review on 30th of December. So you can read more about the measures on gov.uk. Now driving lesson, and lot of my students and lot of my followers regular text me so what happened our driving test, theory test, and what happened about our driving test and lesson. So the government has confirmed that the driving lesson must not take place in area in tier 4 from December 20 until the restrictions are lifted. You must not travel out of the tier 4 area to give driving lessons or to take a people for test. So driving test, the government has also confirmed that all car driving tests will be suspended in area tier 4 20 December from 20 December until the restrictions are lifted. This including ADI part 2 and 3 test as well, standard checks as well. We'll email the candidate. DVSA said that we email the candidate who are affected by this to let them know we will reschedule their test. If you have booked your test, any student booked their test, they automatically receive the email. So you will need to contact maybe DVSA, and already DVSA one by one everyone give the email. So you don't need to do anything. When you receive email, then you contract. If you knew time and date isn't suitable for you, and you need to choose the different time, and you can go the www.gov.uk. You will need to your driving license number and do this, and you can ask your instructor, they can help you more. So your driving test will be suspended and rescheduled all test. So if you not like your test date and time, then maybe you can ask the DVSA again. You can choose your time by email, or maybe you can phone. So theory test, all theory test will be suspended as well, and in area tier 4 20 December until restriction are lifted. Will DVSA email you if you are affected this time, they automatically email you. So if you need to more, then you visit www.gov.uk and you can change your theory test easily. If you booked your theory test, you will need to log into your booking system and rearrange their test for new date and time. So if you need to more information, you can find the financial support is available to on gov.uk. Check regular .gov.uk, so you can find more information. So this is the from DVSA. So I received this email today. If I know anything else, then I can update more. So thank you for your time to watch this video, and good luck to everyone, and happy new year very soon. Thank you for your time to watch this video.